So I've mentioned object storage a couple times, and really when you look at it, it's kind of the next evolution in how we're going to store data. And the reason is because if you look at customers today who use file system-based storage means to store data, and their file systems begin to grow and grow and grow, it's growing because they are most likely creating digital content. They're creating a movie, they're creating genomic science, they're doing weather modeling, they're doing high-performance compute to figure out the next engine cylinder head. They're doing something that's generating a bunch of data. And as that data grows and grows and grows, they need to start to categorize it. And they need to start knowing where the data sits. So what they do is they build a database or some other tool, most likely driven by a database, that describes what all this data is that they have in the file system. So let's take a media and entertainment customer. I'll take Major League Baseball. Major League Baseball has so many games per season. They capture all that data, bring it back into New Jersey there, and all of that data is tagged about every game, about every player that's been in the game, and all that information is stuffed in a database called Diamond. And then when they need to go later in or after the season and resurrect and create new content, they can actually type in the name of a player and see all of his hits, name of a player and see all of his catches, whatever they want to find, because they've tracked all that data in this database. Well, when you think about an object store, it is the idea of take a generic database, a metadata engine and a metadata server, which is a database, and combine it with a file system or file storage, combine those two together, and you get an object store. So now, even though if we think about most M&E customers using a file system and a customized database, it wouldn't be difficult for them to go into object store because they are already collecting digital content. They're already creating metadata tags. They just need to apply them to the metadata in the object store, and voila, they built their system out. So you can see that this isn't object store is not a revolution. It is an evolution of the people who are already doing large data sets, trying to keep them around for a very long time. It's combining those two things, data and the database that describes the data, so that we can get to the data that we need.